Discover the ultimate solution for clearer vision. The top 5 best magnifier for visually impaired users brings text and details to life, offering effortless reading, precise focus, and enhanced independence. Experience clarity like never before in daily tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ebbnivs Magnifier for Visually Impaired. The Ebbnivs Magnifier for Visually Impaired is an outstanding tool designed to enhance reading and close-up work for individuals with low vision. Its 5.5-inch large lens provides a wide viewing area, mimicking natural vision to make examining text, maps, coins, stamps, jewelry, crafts, and even small plants much easier. The lens is made of durable, scratch-resistant material, ensuring long-lasting use without compromising clarity. What sets this magnifier apart is its versatile magnification system. It provides a standard 10x magnification and features 2 insets, a 1-inch lens for 20x and a handle inset for 45x magnification. While the 45x lens is ideal for very close objects within 3 centimeters, it ensures an upright image for precise detail work. The built-in lighting system is particularly noteworthy. 3 LED lights provide bright, even illumination, allowing for comfortable reading even in dark spaces or low-light conditions. Additionally, the UV light function is useful for tasks like counterfeit detection and detailed inspection of documents or paintings. Operation is simple with a single on-off button, and the magnifier runs on 3 AAA batteries, not included, offering a long-lasting power supply without frequent battery changes. Its intuitive design and multifunctional capability make it ideal for the elderly or visually impaired individuals who need reliable magnification and lighting. Beyond reading, it can also serve as an emergency light source, making it both practical and versatile. Overall, the Ebbnivs Magnifier combines high magnification, excellent illumination, and durable construction, creating an indispensable tool for anyone needing visual assistance. Number 2. MagniPros Magnifier for Visually Impaired. The MagniPros Magnifier for Visually Impaired is a thoughtfully designed device that prioritizes comfort, functionality, and versatility. One of its standout features is the collapsible and detachable stand, which allows users to enjoy hands-free operation while reading, crafting, or working on detailed projects. This design reduces fatigue, especially for prolonged use, and makes storage convenient. The magnifier's high-quality anti-glare lens, paired with 24 SMD LED lights, ensures exceptional eye comfort for seniors and individuals with low vision. The 3-step lighting system, cool white, warm white, and a combination mode, can be easily toggled using a 1-button touch interface, providing optimal clarity for any activity. The LED lights are not only bright, but also energy efficient, consuming 50% less power than conventional LEDs, while boasting a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. This combination of advanced lighting and a durable stand makes the MagniPros Magnifier perfect for detailed work or leisure reading. Its ergonomic design and stability cater to avid readers, crafters, and hobbyists who require precision and comfort. Furthermore, the magnifier's versatility allows it to accommodate both lightweight and heavier lenses, ensuring reliability without compromising convenience. For seniors and visually impaired users, this magnifier eliminates the strain associated with handheld magnifiers while delivering superior illumination and crystal-clear magnification. Whether it's reading fine print, inspecting small objects, or working on delicate crafts, the MagniPros Magnifier is a practical, long-lasting, and user-friendly solution. Its combination of hands-free functionality, bright anti-glare lighting, and robust design makes it one of the most effective tools for visually impaired individuals seeking enhanced clarity and ease in everyday tasks. Number 3. MagniPros 5X Magnifier for Visually Impaired. The MagniPros 5X Magnifier for Visually Impaired is an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight, ergonomic, and highly efficient magnification tool. Designed with low vision users in mind, it features an anti-glare lens that reduces harsh reflections, allowing for extended reading and viewing sessions without eye strain. Its large 4.5-inch by 7-inch acrylic lens provides a crystal-clear, wide viewing area, making it ideal for reading books, newspapers, or working on detailed projects. The magnifier includes advanced 3-color lighting technology, offering cool white, warm white, and a combined mode, all easily adjusted with a one-touch interface. This ensures optimal lighting in any environment, whether at home or in low-light conditions. Powered by 24 SMD LED lights using free AAA batteries, not included, the Magnifier provides energy-efficient, long-lasting illumination that enhances visibility while minimizing power consumption. Despite its powerful features, the Magnifier weighs only 4 ounces, making it comfortable for prolonged use. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure and fatigue-free grip, allowing users to focus on their tasks without discomfort. The combination of superior lighting, high-quality magnification, and user-friendly design makes this Magnifier particularly suitable for seniors, hobbyists, and individuals with low vision who require precise clarity. It is especially helpful for tasks such as reading fine print, inspecting jewelry, or examining small crafts. Overall, the MagniPros 5X Magnifier is a compact, reliable, and efficient tool that balances magnification, comfort, and lighting, delivering a high-quality experience for visually impaired users. Number 4. Vision Aid Magnifier for Visually Impaired. The Vision Aid Magnifier for Visually Impaired is a versatile and convenient magnifying tool designed to make reading and detailed work effortless. With its 3.0x optical magnification, it provides clear, crisp images for reading small print, handling precision tasks, or working with intricate objects such as jewelry or model kits. A standout feature is the 36 built-in LED lights with 3 brightness levels, offering even illumination across the work area, reducing eye strain and improving visibility in dim environments. Unlike battery-powered alternatives, this magnifier is USB rechargeable, ensuring continuous use without frequent battery replacement. The included cable allows for quick and convenient recharging, making it environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Additionally, the protective hardshell storage case keeps the magnifier safe from scratches and damage, perfect for storage or travel. The foldable built-in stand enables hands-free operation, which is particularly beneficial for extended reading sessions, crafts, or repairs. This hands-free feature allows users to focus entirely on their task without worrying about holding the magnifier. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it is comfortable to handle and suitable for seniors or visually impaired individuals. Its combination of optical magnification, bright LED lighting, USB rechargeability, and portable design makes an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable magnifier that balances convenience and performance. Number 5. Cojoycs Magnifier for Visually Impaired. The Cojoycs Magnifier for Visually Impaired is a premium magnifying tool designed for maximum comfort, clarity, and adaptability. Its innovative dual viewing design, featuring horizontal and vertical screens, allows for a full-page HD reading experience, covering areas up to 9 by 6 inches. The optical-grade PVC lens ensures a distortion-free view, enabling users to read books or newspapers without constantly adjusting the material. The magnifier's upgraded LED system includes 48 high-brightness LEDs with 3 adjustable brightness levels, providing uniform illumination and reducing eye fatigue. Its 360 degrees flexible gooseneck allows precise positioning from any angle, ensuring the ideal viewing perspective for reading, crafts, or detailed work. The height-adjustable design accommodates different seating or table arrangements, making it suitable for various tasks. The heavy-duty non-slip base ensures stability, allowing hands-free operation for tasks that require both hands, such as sewing, model assembly, or electronic repair. The built-in 1,200 mAh rechargeable battery offers 5 to 12 hours of continuous use, depending on brightness settings, eliminating the hassle of disposable batteries. Its USB charging capability ensures convenience and environmental friendliness. Overall, the Cojoycs Magnifier combines wide-area magnification, bright, energy-efficient lighting, flexible positioning, and long-lasting power to deliver an exceptional experience for visually impaired users. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.